Hi guys, welcome to my new setup. So coming to this video, in this video I would be using Vertex AI to train a machine learning model. And Vertex AI is an future, it's a component of Google Cloud, where I think most of you know what is a cloud and all. So coming to this Vertex AI, I can train two kinds of models. One is AutoML, another is custom modeling. In this video I'm going to stick to AutoML, and also I'll give you the information of how everything works. So it is same to from this you can go to the custom training as well. In the next video I would be explaining about custom ML. In AutoML is a very simple topic, if you know a bit of tech and you're good with the Google Cloud, and you are good, you need not be a data scientist to train the model, but it's gonna take some expertise to how to decode the model, and I would be teaching all those in my rest of the videos. But for this video I will just stick to a simple implementation. I'll take a small project from Kaggle, small data set. The project is about loan approval, yes or no. I think it's a very common problem statement, many of us would have seen. So in this, let's not wait much, let's go to Google and go to the Google Cloud, and from there we'll deal with the Vertex AI. I hope you guys could see my screen. Let me just search for Google Cloud, and in this Google Cloud, Vertex AI is it's an upcoming technology. It has all kinds of features. I would be talking about more of that. So let's search for Vertex AI. Yep, this is the console of the Vertex AI, as you can see. So coming back to our problem statement, I said I'm gonna load a data set, and then I would be training the data set, and I would be also doing transformations. So I'd be using an very good techniques in this video. So yep, first of all we need to have the data, and these are the features of the Vertex AI. First of all, we are dealing with the data. You will go with the data sets and select this option. These are my I worked on all these data sets, so let's go step by step. How I would be creating the data set, name the data set something, and this Vertex AI can deal with all sorts of problem statements, whether the data would be image, tabular, text, video. So in our case would be going the tabular, which means like numericals and whatnot, CSV files and all those things. If you are dealing with the sentiment analysis, text, and this is image, vision problem statements, or as I said, like we would be going the simpler one, which is regression or classification. I would be classifying whether the loan got default or not. Select create, and from here you would be uploading your data set. You can upload data set from three different ways. One is straight from your computer. You can just upload the CSV files, and also you can upload this into the Google Cloud, which is nothing but the buckets. You can upload into a bucket and load it from there. And third one would be to load it from a warehouse. So if you are aware of BigQuery, I would strongly recommend you to do that, because the very reason this warehouse gives you a tons of features. If you are performing any EDA, exploratory data analysis, know your data better, and you can use SQL to query your data, and like all those results can be visually appealed using Google Looker. Now Google Cloud is an multiverse, it has all sorts of features, so I would strongly recommend to use this. And as I said, BigQuery, you would be just going to BigQuery, and yeah, I just loaded my dataset over here. I would be explaining all those in a different video. I mean, look, Google Cloud is an entire different chapter. I mean, like, BigQuery is a entire different chapter. I don't wanna deviate. So just upload your dataset over there and use browse. So I already uploaded my data. You would be selecting which of the data. Select and go with continue. That's it. Your data set has been uploaded, and you can see the gist of the data. I mean, like, what type of features are we having, and how are there any missing values, and etc, etc. Now you would be training the data. So for training, I mean, like, training the model, so you would be going with the train new model, and you would be selecting what is the dataset number. You can find it over here. This is the dataset 944, 944, and the objective is a classification. And as I said, I would be using AutoML for this video. And target, if you want to name the model, you can name the model. And what am I doing? I mean, like, my end goal is to find whether the loan is getting sanctioned or not. And if you go with the advanced options, you can select what is the training percentage, validation, test. You can also give your your customized split, but this is the standard split. I would definitely recommend you to go with this and use continue and add features, because like features are already there, you need not add extra features. And see if there are any missing values. And what is your budget, like how much time you wanna run this model. So usually it's like an hour if your model is small. My dataset has around 40,000 rows, which is like good number of rows, so I would be requiring like around 50 to 55 minutes. So I just gave the maximum is one hour. So if it exceeds, it's gonna stop and press start training. That's it. So as I said, it's going to take another 40-45 minutes. I don't want to waste your time. This is the same set that I already done, and it took me around 2 hours 54 minutes. All of you might be wondering, Kaushik, you just went ahead with the training, what about the transformation? That's the beauty of the AutoML. AutoML will take care of all the transformation steps that are required. Steps like missing values will be imputed by using most frequent or like mean or median. And there would be like different types of features, right? One would be objective, another would be integers, and all these will be taken care by the AutoML model itself. So that's the biggest advantage of AutoML. After that, is the reason it's gonna take 2 or 54 minutes. But if you have good knowledge of machine learning and understand how things work, you can go with the custom model. In that, you can write a script for every single step. I'm excited to record that video as well. I think my follow-up video would be that. So let's go with the AutoML. And this is my model, right, after training. And you can see my accuracy was around 98%, which is really good. But I should not overlook all the metrics, which are like, for I have two different sets. One is 1 and O. For O level, I'm getting 99% accuracy and 93%. So I should also look into that, and as well as my precision recall curve, which looks very decent and it's good. And coming back to my confusion matrix, yep, so my 0 class is performing good, excellent, and my 1 is performing good, which is not bad, still can be improvised. and you can also play with the this threshold. And last but not least, feature importance, which is very vital while understanding the data better. So yeah, these are my features. And the previous loan defaults on file is a very important feature for seeing the status of the loan. So if you have defaults on the previous loan, you are done, you won't get any loan for sure. So that's what it says. It is a very important feature that the model is using this for the classification. And you would be taking all this, how much income they are making based on the loan interest rate, all these are features. And person gender is like not even countable, that's what it means. So all these features, by these observations you can remove all these features, which will give the model uh, more space to search. I mean, more computational to the search. That's another story to talk about. Less features, the more better, but you should find an cut off soft point where you can get good accuracy and less number of features. So yeah, so that's about it. And you can also change this threshold and see which other parameters are going good, and then you can deploy this. Let me see, model registry. Okay, so that's how, I mean, like, all these settings I would be explaining in the next video while I'm doing the custom transition. So that's about Vertex AI AutoML feature, which is really cool, and you can deploy this model into the production, which is super easy. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I would be meeting you in the next video. Hopefully everyone is doing good. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Oh, if you like my new setup, also like just comment down below. Oh yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you.